how to make and create a business Instagram post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional business post for your Instagram. First thing you have to do, log into your account on Canva and go to the top and click on create a design. Now search for Instagram post and click on it. After you click on it, go to the search bar again right here and search for business. As you can see now right here, you will find many business templates. Choose one of them, for example this one, and here you can add your photo and change the text. It looks so professional, as you can see. This one also, it's so good. This one, everything can be changed as you can see. After you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.